Good morning, my students. I hope you're fine. Our lesson today is about reflexive pronouns. Reflexive pronouns. Read the examples and answer the questions. Ted taught himself English. Mr. Abdullah taught him English. The question is, in which sentence does the pronoun refer to the subject? The first sentence or the second? Himself refers to Ted or him refers to Mr. Abdullah? Right. Himself refers to Ted. So, in the first example, the pronoun refers to the subject. Next. Do you ever stay at home by yourself? Children, be careful. You might hurt yourselves. What does the phrase by yourself mean here? Do you ever stay at home by yourself? What does it mean by yourself? By yourself means alone. What is the difference between yourself and yourselves? Yourself and yourselves. Right. Yourself for someone, for one person. Yourself is for more than one person. Next. Reflexive pronouns. Here the table talks about personal pronouns and reflexive pronouns. Personal pronouns, subject and object, and reflexive pronouns. I, me, myself, you, yourself. Here you, one person. He, him, himself. She, her, herself. It, itself. We, us, ourselves. You, yourselves, and yourselves here more than one person. Here one person. Yourself for one. Yourself is for more than one. They, them, themselves. So the question is, why we use reflexive pronouns? We use reflexive pronouns for two reasons. The first one, as objects of verbs when the subject and the object of the verb are the same. Like, I bought myself an expensive pair of shoes. I bought myself for myself, not for anyone else. So, I bought myself. So here the subject and the object of the verb is the same. I and myself, we are the same. Number two, we use reflexive pronouns as objects of prepositions when the object of the proposition is the same as the subject of the verb. Like, he never talks about himself. He never talks about himself. Note, we use by plus reflexive pronoun to show that someone does something alone without any help from anyone else. Like, I always pack my suitcases by myself, alone, without any help. I do it myself. One and ones. Read the examples. What do the words one and ones refer to? The first example. The black jacket is nice, but I like the blue one. Here one means jacket. The black jacket, the blue one, the blue jacket. I think these gloves are horrible. I prefer the red ones. Ones means gloves. I prefer the red gloves. But here when we say the blue one is better than the blue jacket, I can say the blue jacket, but the blue one is better. Here I can say I prefer the red gloves, but when I say the red ones is better than the red gloves. We use one when we don't want to repeat a singular countable noun. Which coat is yours? The black one. I can say the black coat, but when I say the black one is better than the black coat. We use ones when we don't want to repeat a plural countable noun. Which shoes do you like? The brown ones. I still can use the brown shoes, but the brown ones is better than the brown shoes. Practice. Complete the sentences using the verbs in the box and reflexive pronouns. Enjoyed, cut, made, look at. Anne felt ill. So she made who, made whom, made for she, made herself. Yes, some tea. So she made herself some tea. Number 2. Be careful. You'll, with that knife, you'll cut. Cut whom? Cut yourself. You, yourself. So you'll cut yourself with that knife. Number 3. Did you in the mirror today? Did you in the mirror? Mirror, so look at the mirror. Not enjoy, not cut, not made, the mirror. So, did you look at in the mirror? Look at whom? Look at yourself. Right, excellent, boys. Did you look at yourself in the mirror today? Number 4. We enjoyed whom? Enjoyed ourselves at the restaurant yesterday. Excellent. We enjoyed ourselves at the restaurant yesterday. Practice B. Circle the correct words. A. Look at those trousers. Which one? Which ones? Here, trousers, plural noun. So we use which ones for plural. Ones for plural and one for singular. The brown over there. I still talk about plural noun. So we use the brown ones. Over there. Oh yes, they're lovely, and you can wear them with a nice shirt for your job interview. Yeah, with my white what? White one or white ones? Here he talks about a nice shirt. Singular noun. So we use one for singular noun. The new one, right? I'm still talking about a singular noun. The new one, right? Yes. How much are they? 300 reals or SAR 300. Thank you, my students.